WhatsApp is finally waking up, and it's about to fix one of its most annoying problems. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech news. After years of users screaming for relief, WhatsApp is finally gearing up to launch a Save as Draft option for status updates, a tiny feature with massive impact. Now you won't lose your half-written thoughts, clever captions, or perfectly crafted statuses the moment real life interrupts. According to new leaks, WhatsApp has quietly slipped the code for this long-awaited upgrade in its app, and here's how it works. If you try to exit the status creation screen midway, a pop-up will finally give you same choices of Save as Draft, Discard, or Continue Editing. Choose to save and your unfinished status reappears like magic the next time you open the editor. For anyone who's ever accidentally swiped away their masterpiece, this is nothing short of breeze. Instagram's had drafts for ages, and WhatsApp is now at last catching up. But that's not the only flashy update in the mix. WhatsApp is also preparing a special animated 2026 sticker exclusively for layout statuses. Now, when you select multiple images in a grid, you'll be able to drop in this energetic, customizable sticker in green, red, or purple. It's a limited time feature, which strongly hints that it's all about to roll out any moment. Both the draft tool and the 2026 sticker are still under development and remain hidden from regular users. But with WhatsApp leveling up its creative space, you can expect a smoother, smarter, and far more exciting status experience in the coming weeks. WhatsApp statuses are finally getting the glow up they deserved, and it's about time. Will these updates help you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.